Now on ITV1, it's new, it's live, it's Dancing on Ice.
Going in. I think he is being very hard on me, but that's his job. Well,
Do it for real, that was awful.
Okay.
I have confidence that she'll get this.
I can't do anything. I can't do it.
Skating to Crazy in Love, please welcome onto the ice, Doug Webster and Andrea McLean.
We apologise for the interruption to Dancing on Ice here on ITV1. Here's some music whilst we work to rectify the issue. We have an update on the situation on Dancing on Ice. It appears that a gunman shot into the crowd at Elstree Studios. All performers, judges and hosts are safe. We do not know the number of casualties at the moment as the event is still ongoing. The police are outside the studio as we speak. Please stand by for further information. We now have word that the gunman has taken hostages inside the studio. The safety of Andrea McLean is currently unknown, but she is believed to be a hostage. Please stand by for further information. We can now confirm that the attack has concluded. Police stormed the studio and shot the gunman. The death toll is believed to be between 50 and 100 people. At least 150 people are injured. This is a tragedy. We now join an ITV News special on this event.
You're watching ITV2. For coverage of a major news story, please switch to ITV1. Now, in a change to the build schedule, the best of You've Been Framed.
This is BBC One. A shooting has occurred at Elstree Studios in Hertfordshire, where entertainment programmes such as Strictly Come Dancing and the ITV programme Dancing on Ice are held. We will join BBC News 24 for coverage of this event.